Hi, welcome back. Like I said before, we're going to be talking about the Metabo HPT sander, and I made up some videos of us using it. If you follow us on Instagram, you notice that we started a new project Monday, and we've been doing some live edge slab work. Put them through the planer, and then using the sander very heavily to finish up the job. So I'll put a link down on that, our Instagram page. But overall, enjoy the videos. We highly recommend the sander. It is, in our opinion, but if you get one, you will see it. It is definitely the best sander on the market. The main feature I love is this: when you turn it off, it stops. The sanding pad, brilliant. I think more companies should be doing that, and I give big credit to Metabo HPT for doing that. And for work wood shop, excuse me, been eating a lot of sawdust lately. We sand over 50% of our, that's what we do. We cut, we sand, we put together, we glue. But enjoy the videos. This is a great, outstanding sander. Please tell us what you think, and if you like our video, please hit the like button, subscribe, so when more of these videos come up that you would get the notifications. And let's enjoy the sander, because it really is outstanding. That's awesome. Second board, looking good. You can tell the sander is doing her job. Awesome. I like how it's nice and easy and that. And she's a beast. Best sander out there, man. Just love it. More to come. I will give you more. Two words describe this sander: just brilliant. Thank you for watching the video, and please, if you like the video, hit the like button. And our next video is going to be on the Metabo HPT trim router. That's a beautiful tool also. And thank you for watching. We'll see you soon. Next video will be on this trim router by Metabo HPT. I believe, and I will do some checking, it was the third Metabo HPT product we bought. This little thing, I love it too. As you can tell, we definitely love our tools.